Hey guys, David here. It's the 6th of November. We still have a bunch of fireworks left over. Well, this is one I just caught right now. My neighbour just gave this to me. So you have to be at least 25 meters away. That's going to be kind of hard because, oh god, it isn't that big. But it is fireworks association. I'm going to have to say aside for this thing. My neighbour's had this for 3 years. There's the fuse. 395 grams. And this is full of gunpowder or something, I don't know. Say 1.4 G explosive. The Gladiator. So, yeah, that's it. Bye.